In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an email list in Gumroad. To start, head over to your Gumroad dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the right creator account, because everything we set up here will apply to the products in this dashboard. Once you're in, look for the section labeled Workflows. This is where Gumroad lets you automate emails to your customers and build your email list over time. Go ahead and click on Workflows. On the Workflows page, click on New Workflow. This will create a fresh automation just for this email sequence. You'll first be asked to give your workflow a name. Type in something clear and descriptive, like post-purchase welcome sequence or course buyers follow-up, so you can easily recognize it later when you have multiple workflows running. Next, you'll choose what triggers this workflow. Select Purchase. That tells Gumroad to start this email flow whenever someone buys a product that matches your criteria. Under that, you'll see an option to also send to past customers. Check this box if you want people who bought from you previously to be included too. This is a great way to quickly build your list from customers you already have. Now you'll narrow down who should receive these emails. In the Has Bought field, start typing and select the product or products that this workflow should apply to. If you want to exclude people who've already bought certain items, use the Has Not Yet Bought field. This is useful for promoting an upsell without bothering people who already own it. You can also filter by how much someone paid. Use the paid more than and paid less than fields if, for example, you only want to email customers above a certain price point. Then set time filters using purchased after and purchased before, if you want this workflow to only apply to purchases within a specific date range. Finally, in the From field, choose which countries this workflow will apply to, or leave it open if location doesn't matter. When your audience filters look right, click Save and Continue. Now it's time to create the actual email. Click Create Email. Decide how long after the purchase the email should go out. Enter the number of hours, or change the dropdown if you prefer minutes. Short delays, like an hour after purchase, often work well for thank you messages. Click into the subject line and add something friendly, such as "Thanks for purchasing," followed by the product name. Then write your email content. Keep it helpful. Thank them, explain what to do next, and invite them to stay connected. When you're happy with it, click Publish and then confirm by clicking Publish Now. Your workflow is live, and Gumroad will now automatically build your email list from